Now let's start to remove this snow in these pine trees so it will not become broke these pine trees. So ayan, tanggalin natin. Ayan, oh. Ayan. This one is already broken, oh. Ayan, nakita nyo? Ayan, oh, broken na, oh. Ayan. From there ang ano, tanggalin ko ng snow sa ano, pine trees. Ayan, dito pa pala yung isa dito. Oh. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung snow. Ayan, oh. Dapat tanggalin para ano, ayan. Ayan, ito tingnan nyo, na ano na, oh, na it's already broken, oh. But it's okay. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Oh, grabe, oh. Removing snow from pine trees for the second time snow falling. Today is January 27 and today is Tuesday. Time check Pakistan time is 9:20. This is Rose. 9:20 a.m. Morning time I have a video around 8 o'clock. The time is snow falling. But by this time already stopped, but I think it will come again. Oh, ito, oh, dami dito. Grabe ang ano, tingnan nyo, oh. Ilang foot ito? 2 foot siguro ito. Ah. Rose, ito. Ah. Yan yung ano, tree ng peach. Yan peach yan. O, tingnan nyo. O, mga yero sa taas. Yun yung sabihan ko sa baba. Ayan, o. O. O, tingnan nyo yung ano sa taas namin, yero. So, I already remove all this snow in pine trees. As you can see. That one, no need because this is not pine trees. Only this pine trees because this can be broken yung ano niya, yung kasi ano maliit ito pang ano lang ito, hindi, not this one pine trees is not same like that over there. Ito yung ano, yung peach naman. Ito yung puno ng peach. Ayan, oh. Yan yung plums, oh. Pero this is okay, no need to remove. Come fall down by itself. Ayan. Oh. Oh, grabe yung ano doon, o yung ano ng peach, oh. Ayan yung peach.